Hello all, welcome to my channel. I'm Raju Pujala. In this video, let's quickly take a look at first values and last values of the Windows function. So what exactly is first value and the last value? So once you sort the data based on your requirement, if you would like to know what is the first value after sorting for each and every partition. So for example, if I have a data of department, the sales, and if I sort the data, so for example, if I have like sales department, like four rows, and if I would like to know what is the first value, so that we can achieve by using the first value, and the last value we can similarly we can use the window functions. Let's quickly take this data over here. So I'm copying it here and select star from data, order by department, salary. Let's run this one now. So over here, after we sorted the data, we can see that we have three departments: HR, marketing, and the sales. And the HR department, the first value is 5,000, and the marketing department, the first value is 6,200, and the sales is 7,200. So if you would like to know the first value from here, how we can get this one? So quickly we can do first value. So where we are looking at salary over partition by. Okay, let's not do the partition. Let's see how it works. Order by salary as first value. So if I run this one, so it returns the first value of the table everywhere. You can see it over here. But instead of that, if you would like to have the first value as per the department, for example, HR first value, marketing first value, so you can use the partition by here, partition by department. And now once we click on run, you can see it here. For HR department, the first value is the 5,000, 5,000, and for marketing, the first value is the 6,200. And for the sales, there is only one record, and the first value is the only one value, which is 7,200. Now, let's see how we can do for the last value. Instead of first value, you can also, for the last values, you can do the last value. And let's quickly look at the last values. Okay, you can see 5,500 and 5,000. So the last value is the 5,500, and the marketing 6,200, 6,500. The last value is the 6,200. So I mean, one more thing that you can look at over here. So for example, let's go back to the first value. So for the first value, so here one thing you can notice. So whenever so basically, for example, if you would like to know, so what is the least salary that a person is getting in the specific HR department? So now we have two rows, and when we sort the data, the least value comes on the top, and the highest value goes to the bottom. And then when you do the first value, so basically you can see the first value over here, which means that when you take the last row, and then when you see what is the salary, maximum salary is 5,500, and what is the minimum salary in this HR department is 5,000. This is how you can use this first value and last values. And also, if you would like to, if you do the last value, so for example, let's do the last value of salary over partition by department, order by salary as last value. Now if you do this one, you can notice one thing. Okay, so for this person, I mean, he is actually in the starting base salary range. And um, and for this one, for the HR person, if you look at the second row, so the first value, I mean, the starting range in this department is 5,000, and the last one is the 5,500. If you have more rows, again, it's a kind of a different scenario. But this is really helpful to understand what is the maximum value, what is the minimum value in your department. Thank you for watching this video, and I wish you all the best for your learning.